What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video it's another experimenting with color. So obviously today is going to be purples and pinks. So I created this little pink and purple little halo eye. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. But before we get into anything, hit that subscribe button, hit it. Click that bell, getting the notifications when I post new videos, and click that like button, letting me know you like my stuff. So, without wasting any more time, let's get into this little tutorial. Alright, so I'm going to be rolling with these two palettes right here. We have the, the Aurora Lights palette by BH and the Weekend Festival palette by BH. So we're going to go into this one first. And I'm going to go into the shade Dippy right here and use that as my transition. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with, we're going with Swag and deepen this up. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with Dippy and kind of clean some of this up. Kind of go back in and edit as I go. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to go off camera, put on my glitter primer, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm now going to go into the Aurora Lights palette, and we are going to go into the shade, I think we'll go into Borealis right there, and kind of start my lid. Okay, so now I'm going to use my color switch. And then I think I'm going to go into, I'll go into Magical right here and pop that in the middle. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in and kind of blend some of these edges out so they don't look so harsh. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with, let's see, I think I'll take Gleaming and go on the outer portion of my bottom lid first. Now it can roll. Alright, so now that I'm done that, I'm going to go in with, I think I'll go in with, I'll go in with Kaleidoscope and put that in the inner bottom corner, inner bottom lid, sorry. Okie dokie, so now I'm going to go in with ombre. Oops. There we go. Go in with ombre and put that in the inner corner. Alright, so now I'm going to go off camera, finish all this up, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this little tutorial that I did. I kind of did like a pink and purple kind of halo eye. So if you really like this little tutorial, you already know, hit that like button down there, comment below, tell me how you feel about this look right here, and then always, before you leave, hit that subscribe button so that you can join this family and get all the notifications when I post new videos. So, until next time guys, deuces.